Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Travel Miles with Smiles. So recently I bought a new audio recording device to record audio of my videos. Earlier I was using inbuilt microphone to record my audio. The audio quality was okay, but in some cases the audio quality was very poor. So I decided to upgrade my audio device and I searched a lot. So I found this Rode SmartLav Plus microphone, which was like the perfect microphone according to my requirement. So I can carry this microphone anywhere. I just need a Android device to record my audio, and you can simply get a great audio. So let's review this device and find out how much good these microphones are. So guys, let's unbox this device. So in the box, first we have this microphone. So you can see the length is quite good. It has a golden jack that is quite good, and that can be easily used in all the smartphones. And it comes with a small like this foam cap that is used to reduce the noise, and it is advisable always to use it. So if you don't want to use it, you can just easily open it like this. So this is so simple. So let's see what other things we get with this mic. So we have here this bag. This is the bag that can be used to keep this mic and carry it with you. The quality is quite good, and let's see what's inside in this bag. So this is the bag of silica that is very good to absorb all the moisture. And we have this strap, that has a beautiful name written over it, that is Rode, that we can use to stuck our like fold it and stuck it like this to our microphone like this. So apart from that, we have this quick smart Rode Lab guide. It has all the things how to use the mic in every language. So, and apart from that, we have this stand, mic stand, that can be used to attach your mic with your clothes, especially with your collar. So suppose if I want to use this stand with my mic, I have to just take it this small foam out and attach it here like this. So once it is attached, you can use it to any of your collars or t-shirts, or attach it anywhere, so it will stick there, and you can easily walk and talk. So this is the attachment device, and it is said like you should always attach the mic like this, so the sound of your breath that you are breathing, it will not go when you are speaking. So these are the things we get with this mic. So guys, right now I am using my SmartLav Plus microphone to record my audio, and I hope the audio quality is better compared to my microphone that I was using, that is my inbuilt microphone. So let me switch on again back to my inbuilt microphone. So now you are listening the voice from my inbuilt microphone, and I hope you can spot the difference between the sound quality of both these microphones. So let's test this microphone outside and see how much noise it captures. So guys, right now I'm sitting at the balcony of my home, and I'm capturing my audio using my Rode SmartLav Plus. And now let me switch on to my original microphone, and you can spot the difference. So I think the original microphone is more noisier and compared to the SmartLav Plus. So guys, I have given the details in the description from where you can buy this microphone. and which application you should use in Android devices. For iOS they have their app which you can use to record audio. And one more thing is that maybe you can say the disadvantage, you cannot plug it in your laptop and record audio. It can only be used with your smartphones. So this is the only drawback which this microphone has. Rest of the things are very good in this microphone. So if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up to this video, and I will see you soon with my new vlog. So see you till then, bye.